Hi everyone, we hope you're keeping safe and well. Today we wanted to talk to you about the new system for when you have classes on site called WhoSatWhere. We are taking your health and safety very seriously and we wanted to make sure you keep as safe as possible. We also don't want to ask you to self-isolate if you have not come into close contact with someone who has later tested positive for COVID-19. To help with this, we have created WhoSatWhere. So WhoSatWhere is a system that allows you to enter which room you're in and what table you're sat at. This will be recorded securely and will be stored in line with our data governance rules. This means that we know who has and who has not been in close contact with someone who has later been tested positive for COVID-19. So, how does it work? When you arrive in the room for your class, you should make sure you've tapped in to record your attendance.
As you can see, I'm tapping my card against the scanner, which is positioned next to the door.
This is really important. Once you've sat down, make sure you open Udo and look for the WhoSatWhere tile.
Today, I'm using my phone to get onto the Udo app and accessing the tile. Here I am scrolling through the app. There are a bunch of blocks including email, make a booking, timetables and many more. The tile you should be looking for is yellow with a magnifying glass and a chair inside it.
The room you're in should be already displayed based on the information from your timetable. If the room displayed is not the room you're in, you can type over it and put the correct information in. Each desk should have a label on it with a reference number. The desk could be number 1, 2 or 3, or it may have a letter and a number, so A1, A2, A3. Depending on how the room is set out. Please enter the number of the desk you're sat in the box that says which desk. Then press the submit button and that's it, you're all done. And then you'll get a message thanking you. It is possible that when you submit the information, an error message may occur. If this happens, close the app and check that you're connected to the Wi-Fi or 4G or 3G. Once you've done that, then try again. If it still doesn't work, then please try the manual process, which I'll mention next. So what happens if you don't have a phone or other device when you're in class? That is not a problem at all. You don't need to worry. All you need to do is let your lecturer know that you are here and what table you're sat at, and they can record that for you. But make sure you do it at the beginning of your class. So what about the NHS Test and Trace app? So, if you and the person who has later tested positive for the virus both have the app, or they have let the NHS know details about where they have been and people they have been in contact with, the NHS will also get in contact with you via phone call. They'll obviously tell you to self-isolate just like they usually would, but that's why this system is so important that we put in place. You're not going to know every person in your class and you're not going to know every single name. So that way we are identifying the people that genuinely have been in close contact with that person, and then we're reducing the need to put a whole class into self-isolation. Thank you for watching today, and I hope that information helped you understand the WhoSatWhere system. If you have any questions at all, you can contact us on social media at Derby Uni Student, or you can email us at students@derby.ac.uk. Thank you, bye.